today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crisp chicken. It's marinated in yogurt overnight and it's tender and just absolutely perfect. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions to show you how to make this easy recipe. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So I have got a free-range whole roasted chicken here. This is from Aldi. It was only €4.39. The chickens from Aldi are quite incredible, and I'm going to marinate it in just yogurt and salt. That is it. I got this recipe actually from the Fat, Salt, Acid, Heat book, and I've been making it every week for the past month or so, and I absolutely love it. So I couldn't wait to share the recipe with you. So let's get cooking. Okay, so I have a large Ziploc bag I'm going to marinate the chicken in. This is a huge bag I got in a pack from IKEA actually, and I've got a plate handy to rest it all on. And now all I'm going to do is wash the chicken and pop it into the Ziploc bag. So I've washed the chicken, popped it inside the bag on the plate, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt into the chicken. I'm going to do 1 and 2. Just give it all a shake around. And then I'm going to pour over a whole tub of yogurt. It's 500-gram tub of yogurt. So I'm just going to pour the whole tub of yogurt into the chicken. Get it all in there, and don't worry about exactly where it is. We'll just move it all around so it gets fully distributed. Okay, the whole tub of yogurt is in there, and now it's the fun part. Just massage the chicken, get the yogurt distributed amongst every corner. Okay, once you're happy that the yogurt is all distributed around the chicken, it just goes into the fridge. So I'll make this the day before I need it, and so it's actually the evening now, on Sunday evening. Tomorrow, Monday, it's going to be dinner, so I just take it out the fridge then, which I will show you next. But yeah, just keep it in the fridge. I like putting it on a plate just so nothing leaks anywhere, and it keeps it nice and sturdy in the fridge. If you want to, in the morning, you can toss the chicken around a bit just to get it redistributed and make sure that everything gets to every drop of chicken nice and tenderized. And I will show you tomorrow when I actually cook the chicken. Okay, I have now got the chicken out of the fridge. I've had it out of the fridge for about 20 minutes, just helping it come up to room temperature so it can cook all the way through. I've got the oven preheating behind me to 220 degrees Celsius, which is over 400 Fahrenheit. I'll put it in the instructions in the recipe down below for what temperature it needs to be at. It starts at really high for about 20 minutes and then we turn it down, but I'll talk you through as we go. But what I'm going to do now is move this to a foil lined tray and just get off as much yogurt as possible and get it on the tray to get ready to be cooked. So I've got a baking tray that I've lined with foil. I've greased the foil. I've drained off as much of the yogurt as I can from the chicken, and I've popped it on. And what I do is I pop it on an angle so this side kind of gets nice and brown first, and then halfway point we swivel it to the other side so it's breast side up. It stays breast side up for the whole cooking time, and we just kind of swivel it as we go, but I'll show you along the way. So the oven just came up to temperature. It's 220 degrees Celsius, which I just looked it up is 428 degrees Fahrenheit to start off with, and we're going to pop this into the oven for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes just pop the oven down to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit. But as I said, I will write all the instructions in the blog post down below. So I'm going to cook this for half an hour, 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, which is 428 Fahrenheit, and then turn it down for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 Celsius, and then I'll check in after that. So the chicken has been in the oven for half an hour. You can see it looks so beautiful and golden, and it's more golden on that side because what I do is the first half we've got the legs pointed that way, and then we're going to swivel them to the left and then we'll pop it back in the oven. So I've swiveled the chicken so it's pointing towards the left now, and it's going to go back into the oven for a final 30 minutes, and it's at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, which I moved it down to. So we'll pop it in for the final half an hour, and then it's done. And there you go, the chicken is out the oven. It smells incredible. The skin is crisp and crunchy, and the skin, the chicken inside is just so tender and just so perfectly, beautifully cooked. But that is the video for today, how to make this lovely yogurt marinated chicken. It's my favorite way to enjoy chicken, and I've been making it every single week lately. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chicken a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.